I understand you're concerned about your brother's condition. He was brought in with chest pain, but we're still waiting on the results of the EKG and blood tests to determine if it's a heart attack or something less severe like angina.
So it might not be a heart attack. That's a relief. He's had chest pain before, but it wasn't this bad, Mihira.
It's hard to say right now. Chest pain can come from different causes, anything from a strained muscle to a panic attack, but we don't want to assume. We're monitoring him closely. He's stable, though, and his vitals are holding steady.
Stable sounds good, but the doctors haven't ruled out a heart attack yet, right?
We'll know more when the blood results come in. They're checking for cardiac enzymes, which will give us a clearer picture. Even if it's not a heart attack, we still need to keep a close watch for complications.
So Mihira, even if it's not a heart attack, could still be serious?
Yes, but right now his condition is under control. We'll keep you updated as soon as we know more.
Mihira, when you're preparing for surgery, we need to make sure everything is just right for you. To do this, we conduct what's called a preoperative assessment. Think of it as a thorough checkup to ensure you're as fit and ready as possible for your procedure. This assessment typically involves a few important steps. For example, we'll usually ask you to have some blood and urine tests done. These are very common and help us get a good picture of your general health and how your body is functioning. Sometimes, depending on your health and the type of surgery, we might also need to do an ECG, which is a simple and quick test that checks your heart's rhythm, or perhaps a chest X-ray to get a clear image of your lungs. These tests are all about gathering vital information to help us plan the safest and most effective care for you. Beyond these tests, you'll also have important consultations with our medical team. You'll meet with the anesthetist, who is the doctor specializing in pain relief and anesthesia during your surgery. They will discuss the best type of anesthesia for you and answer any questions you might have about it. You'll also have a chance to review your medical history with the surgeon. This is a great opportunity for them to understand your past health in detail and for you to ask any remaining questions directly. All of these steps are designed to make sure we have a complete understanding of your health and that you feel comfortable and informed every step of the way. Is there anything about those tests or consultations that you're particularly worried about, or any other concerns that come to mind?